Australian Cardinal George Pell leaves the Melbourne Magistrate Court in Melbourne Tuesday, May 1, 2018. Australian Cardinal Pell, the most senior Vatican official to be charged in the Catholic Church sex abuse crisis, must stand trial on charges that he sexually abused multiple victims decades ago, a magistrate ruled Tuesday. Andy Brownbill, Associated Press, Melbourne, Australia. The latest on Cardinal George Pell, all times local, 3:30 p.m. Cardinal George Pell has been ordered to appear Wednesday in the Victoria State County Court where he will eventually stand trial. Under his bail conditions, Pell cannot leave Australia, contact prosecution witnesses, and he must give police notice of any change of address. An Australian magistrate earlier Tuesday ordered the most senior Vatican official to be charged in the Catholic Church sex abuse crisis to stand trial. He entered a plea of not guilty. Melbourne Magistrate Belinda Wallington dismissed some charges but decided the prosecution's case on others was strong enough to warrant a trial by jury. Details have not been disclosed about the crimes alleged to have occurred decades ago, __11:15 a.m. Cardinal George Pell has pleaded not guilty to criminal charges after an Australian magistrate ordered the most senior Vatican official to be charged in the Catholic Church sex abuse crisis to stand trial. Melbourne Magistrate Belinda Wallington decided the prosecution's case against Pell was strong enough to warrant a trial by jury, but she dismissed other charges at the culmination of his preliminary hearing. When she asked him how he pleaded, Pell remained seated and said firmly, "Not guilty." Details about the charges have not been disclosed. He was ordered to appear in court Wednesday. Correct. Pell was seated, not standing, when he entered his plea, _11 a.m. The most senior Vatican official to be charged in the Catholic Church sex abuse crisis will stand trial. Cardinal George Pell will face at least one charge at trial after being accused of sexually abusing multiple victims decades ago. Magistrate Belinda Wallington on Tuesday dismissed some of the other charges against Pell. Wallington is issuing her ruling in the Melbourne Magistrates Court. Wearing a cleric's collar, Pell earlier arrived by car in front of the downtown court where police officers were waiting to maintain order. His lawyer has called the charges untrue and Pell said previously he would plead not guilty if ordered to stand trial, _9:30 a.m. Most senior Vatican official to be charged in the Catholic Church sex abuse crisis arrived at an Australian court surrounded by police and media to learn whether he must stand trial on charges that he sexually abused multiple victims decades ago. Pell arrived by car in front of the downtown court where more than 40 uniformed police officers were waiting to maintain order as media jostled to videotape and photograph him. Magistrate Belinda Wallington will rule in the Melbourne Magistrates Court on whether the prosecution's case against Pell is strong enough to warrant a trial by jury. Wearing a cleric's collar, Pell climbed the stairs to court accompanied by his lawyer Robert Richter about 45 minutes before the hearing was to begin. Some protesters shouted as he arrived. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten or redistributed.